my channel, and in today's video we'll be looking at this pretty cool integral problem over here. So let's get started. At a glance, this integral problem looks a bit messy because of the x squared term inside the sine function. So I have a plan. It's called a double threat. First substitution, next integration by parts. Okay, so I want to get rid of that x squared term over here by setting t is going to be equal to x squared. And now we take the derivative of it, we get, Now, come back to the original problem. So look at our x cubed. We can break this down into x squared times x. This is perfect for us forming our t and our dt. Let me just write it down. Yeah, and you may be thinking, where did that 2x come from? Wait, I'm gonna borrow, why am I such a zoomer? Okay, so first we take this 2 from here, means I took an x from x cubed, and I take a 1/2 because the 2 is not free, obviously, and then like lunch is not free. Okay, perfect. Now I can form this into a t and this into dt. This one a t, this one t. Good. Now let's actually substitute. Looks much better, right? Now it's time for the integration by parts. If you don't know what's the integration by parts formula, let me write it down for you. Yes, now this is the integration by parts formula. So let me just adjust it actually. Yes. Now let's come. Now we need to know what's u, what's v, what's dv, what's rvu, du. Okay, so let me just write them down here. What's u, what's du, what's v, what's our dv. Okay, so first our u is just going to be t, because when we take the derivative of it, we get something simpler. Now our du, next is our dv, right? So that's just going to be sine t. Oh, colors. Okay, now then the du is just going to be, obviously, take the derivative of the t. That's going to be dt. And then we take the integral of this, so we get again the colors. Okay, so we get, we're just gonna put a separator. Perfect. Now we are ready to substitute. Now we're gonna use these to substitute into the integration by parts formula. I'm just gonna start directly from the right hand side. Perfect. Now, let me just put this. Yeah. Now we're good. Now we gotta integrate this. So let me just integrate that. So we get. Okay, perfect. Now, actually there's more green. Okay, now we're done. Wait, not yet. We actually put t is equal to x squared, so we gotta again substitute back. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so 1/2. And there you go, that's our answer, and bye bye. See you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed it.